Everywhere you go, you're being told that AI is the most trending degree that matters. But how to figure out if it's a hype or the reality? While making wrong choice could make finding your first job much harder, what if the safest bet was also the most powerful one? Welcome to Unfiltered Career. I'm here to help you, and we don't deal in hype. We deal in strategy. Today, we are solving the degree dilemma once and for all. Core computer science versus a specialized AI degree. Let's dive deep. Think of it like this. A specialized AI degree is like creating a skyscraper on a weak foundation. It looks impressive from a distance, but it's fragile. One shift in the job market and it could crack. A core CS degree is that indestructible foundation. The reason is that it allows you to build anything on top of it later, including that AI skyscraper, a cybersecurity fortress, or a cloud computing hub. It's about versatility. Let's look at the facts. We broke it down into three key categories. First, employability. Core CS gives you a wide net: software engineer, web developer, DevOps. There are simply more entry-level jobs. AI roles are narrower and often require higher degrees or working experience specific to that skill. CS clearly tops in that. Long-term growth. Both are excellent. CS gives you horizontal growth. You can pivot across tech fields. You learn algorithms, data structures, operating systems, databases, networks, distributed system, durable fundamentals that transfer across industries. AI gives you vertical growth, becoming expert of specific functionality. Machine learning, deep learning, NLP, LLMs, computer vision, RL, MLOps, data engineering, AI, ethics, and safety in all such applied AI tasks. So, it's a tie, but CS keeps your option open as if tech market gets retransformed to something else. Your demand will not be obsolete as your foundation is made to fit diversity. Let's look from the perspective of industry diversity. With CS, you can work in tech, finance, healthcare, agriculture, entertainment, literally any industry that uses software. AI roles are concentrated in data-rich tech and finance companies, another clear advantage for CS. So what's the gold standard to outshine? Step 1. Get the core CS degree. That's your foundation. Step 2. While you are studying, specialize in AI on your own time. Add AI exposure via electives, clubs, internships, and projects. Use online platforms like Coursera, edX, and other such platforms. Build projects on Kaggle and put them on GitHub. Graduate with a strong foundational knowledge and the hot skills. You can apply for software engineer roles and AI roles. You win. And if you think this path is only for the elites, you're wrong. Here's your quick global tour. Germany. World-class education, almost zero tuition fee. Target Berlin and Munich. Canada, a direct path to permanent residency. Look at Waterloo and Montreal for AI. Poland and Estonia, European quality at a fraction of the cost. Cities like Warsaw and Tallinn are digital powerhouses. India, Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, well-funded and innovation-oriented environment for startups. We've put a full list of universities and costs in a free guide for you. The link is in the description and comments. Moral of the story? While you are in school, focus more on grabbing excellence in AI skills to a field of your choice. So for example, if you want to work for agriculture industry after you graduate, start adding as many AI skills in robotics, GPS navigation, statistical data analysis, weather data analysis, crop charts, etc., which add value to your undergrad application. While completing computer science degree, get hands-on experience in this field through internships, on-the-job training, project and research works, and so get specialized in AI specific to agri industry. The decision isn't about following the trend, it's about building a strategic future. It's about giving yourself the most scalable options. Do the domain major and add AI or data minor. Hybrid roles are among the biggest growth opportunities. If this strategic approach makes sense to you, please subscribe to our channel. We have created a free detailed PDF guide with all the countries really opportunistic about training in computer science and AI, along with the different approaches which help you decide which course is more suitable to you after passing from high school. You can download it for free right now using the link in the description or comments below. Thanks for watching.